Today in crypto. Native Sushi token has surged higher over the past few days and weeks. As of this article's writing, the cryptocurrency is up 10% in the past 24 hours, pushing to $4.50. SUSHI's rally comes as Ethereum has been relatively flat on a day that Bitcoin pushed to $42,000. The Ethereum-based appears to be benefiting from a number of fundamental trends that indicate the market will move higher in the days and weeks ahead. SUSHI remains a relative value play to Uniswap's UNI token, analysts argue. SushiSwap is a decentralized exchange that is being integrated into the Earn.finance ecosystem. Sushi is the platform's native token. Holders of the can earn dividends by staking their sushi in the so-called SUSHI bar. The roadmap is expected to give more information about SushiSwap's cross-chain ambitions, potential upgrades to the protocol, and the release date of the Bento Box product. Bento Box is currently being audited by Quant and is expected to go live in the coming weeks. Sushi is believed to benefit from the release of these upgrades and products, as with more usage, there should be an increase in the fees that will accrue to Sushi holders over time. Although Sushi has been largely uncorrelated with other cryptocurrencies in recent weeks, Bitcoin is still dictating the overall market trend. Bitcoin has clearly been on a bull trend over recent months, pushing from the $20,000 region in December to $42,000 now. The leading cryptocurrency is overbought by many technical indicators, analysts say. Though the long-term macro trend remains intact, Sushi is likely to continue to outperform as long as it ships new products and updates amid this ongoing Bitcoin and Ethereum bull market. Bitcoin has taken over all forms of media, from mainstream to social. The cryptocurrency was trending on Twitter last night after making above $40,000 for the first time. The hysteria caught the attention of early internet entrepreneur Kim.com, who claims there's a Bitcoin fork that's more undervalued than BTC itself and has the biggest upside potential in crypto. But what the fork exactly is he talking about? Mega Upload founder and early internet entrepreneur Kim.com has long been a proponent of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Years ago, long before record fiat money printing became the theme of 2020, he warned of the eventual crash of the dollar and proposed cryptocurrencies and gold as a way to protect against what is to come. He said as far back as August 2018 that an economic crash was coming 100%, and he was right. Come 2020, the economy did crash and the dollar is on the ropes. Related reading, analyst. Post-Bitcoin, traditional finance will flock to DeFi, not Ethereum. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are flying. Gold and Bitcoin both set new records in the year and could be a sign that Kim.com's predictions are regularly accurate. But could the hard fork Bitcoin Cash really have the biggest upside potential in crypto and even be more undervalued than BTC itself? Kim.com took to Twitter today to give his followers another piece of financial advice. Consider Bitcoin Cash and not just traditional BTC. BTC maximalists were quick to attack the controversial Mega Upload founder for his views. It's quite simple. The winners in the crypto race will be the currencies that people use for their daily transactions. That is where BCH shines, he responded in the same Twitter thread. He also claims that he arrived at the decision because he's building new tech that he is confident will be used by hundreds of millions of users. And the only way to provide the best user experience is to choose BCH over BTC. Related reading, Bitcoin dominus Doji, why 2021 could spell doom for altcoins. Admittedly, there's some truth to his point. The reason for the BCH fork in the first place was to improve upon the OG cryptocurrency's transaction speed, fees, and scale. It is hard to believe that there's more upside potential for BCH as a result when dozens of altcoins do the same job even faster, and Bitcoin Cash is so far behind BTC. But then again, Kim.com has been correct about so many things related to crypto. Why would he be wrong now? Per a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission released on January 8, investment bank Morgan Stanley, NYSE, MS, had acquired 792,627 shares in business intelligence firm MicroStrategy. The investment represents a 10.9% stake in a firm that has made massive investments in Bitcoin over the past several months. The purchase apparently happened on December 31. MicroStrategy has had a colossal month, seeing its shares move from $289 on December 8 to $545 as of January 8. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Bitcoin's BTC price has risen dramatically over the past days and weeks, recently wheeling past $40,000, an asset largely untied to governmental authority. Bitcoin is a hedge against global uncertainty, according to venture capitalist and billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya. Citing a possible 5 or 10-year time horizon, Palihapitiya said he thinks Bitcoin will likely reach $200,000 at some point. The reason is because, every time you see all of this stuff happening, it just reminds you that wow, our leaders are not as trustworthy and reliable as they used to be, he told CNBC in an interview on Thursday. He added, continue reading on Cointelegraph. Donald Trump banned from Twitter in final days of presidency. Twitter has banned Donald Trump's account, @RealDonaldTrump, permanently just days after supporters broke into the Capitol building, citing a review of recent tweets that the social media platform says could lead to further violence. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.